Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the 3-pack of tempered glass screen protectors from the company Supershieldz. And as with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I just like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in. So I bought this for my Garmin eTrex 10. This will work with the eTrex 10, 20, 20X, 22X, 30, 30X, and 32X. I'll go ahead and open them up. Not a whole lot to show you here in this unboxing video, but these are your screen protectors. Why you get 3, I don't really know. What I like about it is if I don't get them on straight, or if I get dust or something like that under them, at least I've got some extras in case I don't get it on right. Or if you happen to scratch one of them or crack one of them, you've got some backup. So that's kind of nice. Installation kit. A card for if you need help with installation. Looks like they might have some videos out there you can watch. And then the inside of the case has some directions as well. Anyway, pretty basic, but nonetheless, it's an unboxing video. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching.